streaming. Okay, started. It should start now. It should be started. Test 1, 2, 3, gang.
Yeah, it's live.
It's live.
Yeah, it's live.
Yeah, it is, yeah.
Alright, cool. Lovely stuff for the boys.
So what's the point of going live? Just so you can record it?
I can call because I said I was gonna go live, bro. I stick to my goddamn word, bro.
Yeah. Where's the 10 bikes you promised me?
See this guy. I can't see chat from here. I have to see chat from my phone. But that's fine. 2 seconds.
I can hear it in the YouTube video.
Huh?
I can hear myself in the YouTube video.
Maybe because you have your sound. Oh shit. What's going on?
You should be able on your side to mute people's voices from getting broadcasted on YouTube.
Huh?
So you can make it so only you can hear third-party Discord volume, whereas they won't be able to hear it through stream.
Yeah, I know I could do that.
You should.
No. But bro, there's 5 people in this. What's going on? I don't know how there's 5 people in this. Bro. I don't know how there's 5 people in there, but yeah, look. We're gonna get set up. I'm gonna post it on Snap real quick.
See, Sean, you give him some fucking helpful insight. He just shits on it. Some fucking mate he is, boys.
What weekly outlook are you gonna do for what pair? For what pairs?
Anything anyone asks, I'll do.
Before you asked for Nas, didn't you?
Yeah,
Yeah,
yes, for NQ.
NQ looks nice for shorts this week, I think.
NQ's not Nas, no?
It is.
Is it, yeah?
Yeah.
So I'll post it on the story. Just wait to see how many people will join and want to join. Just wait. Let me get the chat open. How do I get the chat open again? Just had it open.
Oh, Saint, have you heard from an Edgar?
Huh?
Have you heard from a guy called Edgar?
I think so. That sounds so familiar.
He should get onto you for mentorship. See what I'm saying? Good guy, me, you know.
Wait, that name sounds familiar though.
Yeah.
Edgar? Does he have me on Snap?
He probably does, yeah. Bro, trust me, I'm putting it on. Don't worry.
Are you accepting more people for mentorship?
For the right people, I'd say.
I'm picking and choosing. I can't lie. I'm picking.
This guy, yo, if Edgar gets onto you, he's 30.
I'm picking and choosing. I always pick and choose when it comes to this shit because
take Edgar. He's a good guy. If he comes onto you, he's a good
for
guy.
example, like that.
And he's brave.
Yeah, it's like that CJ and support guy. I regret putting them on. CJ not too much, but CJ just slacked after 2 months. Support definitely, bro.
He took the piss. Is fucking CJ gone?
I actually texted him yesterday and I said, look, I'm gonna pause your mentorship, and whenever you're ready to come back for 3 months, because he's already paid 1,000, bro. Like,
yeah.
So I just said, look, like he told me, yes, he's going to blah, blah, blah. I just said, look, I'm just gonna pause. Yeah,
CJ's the older one, isn't he?
Yeah, the other one, yeah. And I was like, look, I'm just gonna pause your thing. I'm just gonna pause. Whenever you're ready, let me know.
What happened to support?
Bro, the guy got scammed and his friend.
Scammed by who?
Bro, I don't know. He was making clips.
He lost bags. He lost peas. That's all.
He lost peas. So he basically had this thing he was doing online, some online money, legit. And then basically, how can I even put this into words? Basically, he ran up quid, and then they were like, "Oh, because he did this thing, he broke some rule. He has to pay money to get his money out, and it was like racks. So then he ended up lending it off somebody, and then and his friend is onto him now. So
He got rope pulled.
yeah, basically got rope pulled. Yeah.
That's heavy.
So and then like he was like, "Oh, is there any chance I get the money back?" And blah, because he asked me for the money first, and then I said
He asked you
okay,
for a
and then
refund.
no. He asked me for the like if I can
Lend.
lend him the piece, and then
Oh.
I was like, explain to me what it is, and then I told him straight up. I said, bro, that sounds so booky. Like I'm not
Yeah.
lending you money. Apparently, he asked the Bobby as well.
The Bobby laughed at him. He said, "Why would I give my scam piece to you?"
Bro, I went to that place I'm training at, yeah. I went
Is
to the
what?
place I went to the place I was training at, yeah. Training,
Yeah.
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 And I met this guy that I used to chat to, he's like an acquaintance to me. And then he was like, bro, like I've been seeing your training team, blah 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 blah. Like, do you have a group or not? Then I said, yeah, I have a group, like it's just chill, like it's not too, but I have a community and all. Then he was like, bro, do you know about the Bobby guy? Then 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 I was like, yeah. I started smirking. Then he goes to me, yeah. He goes on my mother's life. Me and his other mate, his other
No
mate.
way. I was
I'm
about
not
to
saying.
say, is he from Blanche?
Oh yeah, catch yeah. And then
Bro, he's out to get him. I know this story.
then
3 guys are out to get Bobby from Blanche.
yeah,
No
then
way.
then
Join them.
then he was like, bro, if you ever see that guy, he's finished. Is that if they ever see and like I actually know these guys because like
He's
I
on
know these
job,
guys.
isn't he? He's actually on job. This guy, isn't he?
A few of them used to be, but they're not.
He'll be
I don't
on
know.
job
Like
for Bobby.
for
He'll be
me,
on job
like
for Bobby.
for me, if they had smoke for me, I wouldn't really be too fussed. But for someone like that, yeah, then yeah, like cause like they can do anything to my man. No one's gonna help him out.
He's gonna back Bobby.
Exactly, he's gonna back it up.
ATM's just gonna move countries quick.
Yeah.
But
Anyways,
how's it coming from anyway?
bro,
That's
like
funny, man. It's funny that you said that because fucking Minko only told me the same thing. Minko told me that he ran it 3 guys for Blitz that he knows, and they told him that if they see Bobby, it's on site.
yeah, bro, like it's
He's bro.
crazy, bro.
He's in Minko's channel, right? And
Yeah.
everybody just flames. Everyone just takes the piss out of him in that channel. That guy doesn't even post to the channel, but he takes that, bro. We all take the fucking piss out of him, like.
Yeah.
That's crazy, bro.
Oh,
Mad.
it's actually fun. I can't lie.
And you actually know what's crazy? This is all being said on live, by the way. But I don't give I don't give a fuck.
I
I don't
forgot,
care.
man.
Anyways, I don't give a fuck. Anyways,
Bobby, if you're out there listening, bro, there's 2 guys in this car that you scammed, you little dirty rat. Fucking intuition trading rat. Get out of here, man. Trend
uh,
line guy, bro. The trend line thing. That's just too funny.
Bro.
S1,
Yeah.
what's the you trading NQ on CME, right?
Yeah.
Okay. This is what I mean, but I can't get my indicator to work. Now my indicator is bugged out. Oh well.
It was booked out for me on TradeView a few days ago as well.
No. For certain charts, it's bugged out. Like I actually can't do anything about that. I don't know how to fix it. Anyways, we'll just have this. It's not that much of a.
It looks like it works on gold. I won't lie.
It
You
looks
may
like
send me that
that.
indicator.
Huh?
You may send me that indicator.
It's already in it's
It's
in
in the
What's it?
Mintos.
resource.
Is it? Yeah.
It should be a
No.
resource. No,
It's
tools
not.
and indicators are free.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
No, you didn't post it. You didn't post it in tools and indicators.
Did I not?
No, it's still not posted.
Interesting.
So I remember
I'll do that.
you had to send it to me
I
privately.
posted it somewhere though. I
Let
just
me
don't
check.
remember. It could be on
Chip
Telegram on the
post.
free one.
Let me check.
I don't know.
So
I reposted it.
Yeah, repost it in the resources and the indicators.
I'm looking
Still
at
leaving 10
NQ.
minutes.
Yeah, that's no problem. I'm looking at NQ right now.
That's one slacking.
I have to do deliveries, bro.
Yeah.
Busy?
Yeah, bro. Today, anyway.
Yeah, bro. Load of new drops came in Fladio.
Flat out, bro.
Go man yourself. Are you driving yourself?
In terms of shorts at one, yeah,
Yeah.
I actually don't think it's gonna be shorts. As
Really?
if right now it's not confirmed. At least from the daily, weekly, monthly standpoint, it's really not confirmed.
Yeah.
Like we're still in the range of. If you look at the month, we're still in the range of the previous month, right? Also, the week as well, still in the range of the previous week. We never made no
Yeah.
MSS. The daily still
Are
has
you sharing
no.
screen? No.
Oh yeah,
Pressure spray that disc.
my bad, my bad, my bad.
Yeah.
So if you look at the monthly, we're still in the current range of the monthly. We never took out the highs or the lows
Mhm.
of the previous monthly. The weekly, we're still in the range of the. Although we did take out the lows here, you could classify this as an order block, kind of. Take out the lows there. Could look for reversal. But that was last week. Now, the reason why I don't think we're going for shorts right now is because this was the last break of structure.
Oh.
Therefore, this here should be, and this here should be where you're looking for your MSS, right?
Yeah.
And we're rejecting off this area very, very much. Like,
Yeah.
we're rejecting off. Oh, I need to change this back to my original gray. What's it again?
Next one over. That one.
Uh, so we have this, right? And from this, we're rejecting.
True. True.
We're rejecting. And even if you were to look at the weekly, it just looks like we're just retapping, kind of
Mm.
re-break all time highs. But if I was wrong, you would just have to wait for that extra confirmation.
You go
On
to 4
Monday.
hour now.
Yeah, if I go to the
4 hour.
4 hour, you could say you could say
There's a break on 4 hour, and we're in
it's
an inefficiency. 4 hour fair value gap. We closed inside. Just the most recent candle.
yeah, I see. I
I
would
need more confirmation though. I need to let price build up a little bit more.
I'd wait for Monday. Monday to
Yeah.
clear out. See what happens then.
but even in that same saying, you could say this.
True, we broke to the upside as well.
After having this dip, you can easily just say that.
True.
I say, no, it's this is the wrong one. This doesn't feel right. You could easily just say this, right? And we're going up, retapping, and we respected it before closing.
Mm.
I would be looking for more confirmation, but I would say if I had to choose, I wouldn't be choosing sales as of right now. I would wait for a daily candle to close
Yeah.
below here before I switch my bias to sales.
Mhm.
Obviously, you can still catch sales, and if you're looking to catch sales, I would say the price hit here. Ish. Price can hit here. Because then you also have to understand that, yeah, we had this swing, up, but this is a fail.
Mm.
It doesn't matter if this took out this low. This here is a fail. And that's even more confirmation because we did take out the low, but it still failed to have a candlestick closure.
Mm-hmm.
past this line. So that's another indication that's going to go upwards. Now, seeing that range, I don't know much about futures, but seeing this range, I don't know if that's a lot of points or whatever you call it. But you could
Yeah.
capitalize off that quite well, and especially if that happens on Monday or so, you might switch. But the fact that we had that is, I'm quite confident that price will go. Looking at this from just a chart perspective, it will go back up
Mm-hmm.
to these areas. Now, when it goes back up
Yeah.
to these areas, you can see what price does and act accordingly. But I do believe it's biased. I'm not that experienced in features and stuff, but
Yeah.
it does look nice. Not gonna lie to you, it does look nice.
Yeah, it is nice to trade. I'll probably wait till Tuesday or Wednesday to see how price looks.
What about external sources, external influence like news? Is there any news that could impact you
No Monday. Not on Monday, but
for the overall bias though, weekly to monthly?
NFP on Thursday. FOMC minutes, meeting minutes.
7 p.m. though.
Yeah, that's not gonna really be anything crazy. Just meeting minutes. That's not the statement. So you're looking at Thursday to the main range. Thursday. So interesting.
Obviously, if there's any USD news that obviously impact NQ, that'd
Of
be the
course.
main case for NQ impact.
Thursday.
And would it follow the same manipulation of like FOMC or something? They'd have a big hike.
Yeah, it does.
Cause yeah, okay, fair.
What happened here? Friday the 10th.
Yeah,
Was that Friday
Friday.
open?
No, it was AM. AM session. It was London session, that drop.
No, it was New York.
Was it?
Where was it? Wait. Might be tripping. Yeah,
October.
Friday 10th of October, yeah.
Uh, yeah,
3 p.m.
UOM.
FOMC. But
Stuff for
that does
whoever
make
the
sense.
That drop started early in the morning. Started around 11
Oh,
o'clock.
sorry, I'm tripping. Yeah. No, but still, that's still 10, so that's 2.
Yeah, maybe if you go to 1 hour.
Is your Forex factory on UTC -5 as well?
Yeah.
Yeah, I started at
Ah,
10, so I started at 2. That's fine, though. That might have just been Trump.
Little sneaky tweet.
I'm trying to see if Asia Sweep works. I don't even know if this is the Asia range. It's not. Nice. Bro, this just looks like a bunch of buys, bro. In my eyes, like,
it's the last few weeks have just been buys, bro.
oh,
Just trade
jeez,
buys or
look at
trade.
this. Look at that.
Why'd that reaction occur on that one though? I'm trying to look at the
April. That's Trump with his tariffs and stuff, and then the market
April's
reacted.
Q3 as well, isn't it?
Yeah, this dump was because of Trump and his tariffs and his threats and shit. Honcho's in the chat. What's going on?
Bad like Todd.
What's Honcho doing in the chat, man? The guy's been airing me like, don't mind this fool. Guy's just been on the chat, man.
How many views?
What?
How many viewers?
Bro, 2.
2.
But they're not even chatting from. Honcho's the only guy who chatted, but it doesn't matter. Shit, start from somewhere. Okay, so that's
You
that DXY. Alright,
show us do a bit of gold analysis. Let's see what's going on with gold.
I just did gold analysis, but I'll do it again.
Did you do gold analysis?
When we were talking about WRM,
Nah, well, no, we're
Anderson,
doing WRM, but
I'll tell you.
weekly bias.
This looks quite simple and explanatory. Like, where do you think the DXY is going? Like, it's quite simple and explanatory, but I'll explain it again. I don't want to clear my drawings, so I'm just gonna select.
You know, you can tap on the drawing and just click delete on your keyboard.
Oh yeah, I have a 63. I keep forgetting that I have them.
It's convenient. Sure.
So, okay, how many is there? What the fuck? Okay, so if you look at our swing high, swing low, swing high, so swing didn't hit the 50, didn't hit the 50, so we're here. So ever since here we didn't hit the 50, right? And classify this whole thing here as an order block, or you can just classify this as an order block on the weekly. Now,
Would you not want to take the most recent range high-low for order block?
this is the external range. We're looking. This is external range. Maybe internal range. Yeah, internal range would be like here to here.
Fair.
Oh no, not there to there. It would be like maybe like here to here. So we're looking at reversing now. So retake the height. So simple explanatory. We're looking for this 50% range and higher, so we're looking to capitalize on these swings, right? So we had this, we took out the low here, liquidity swept, had a breaker structure, now had our MSS, and then we started doing our breaker structure, start trending. Now if I use this tool, and I use this from this to this, okay, we hit that. Now we move this tool from here to here. Yeah, we hit the 50%. We do from here to here. The reason why we don't do here is because we didn't break above here yet.
There's no breaking structure.
Yeah, so we did this. So now we're at 50% point of rejection. We're also in the order block. We also hit a fair value gap as well over here if you want to count that. Well, obviously price has to go lower. So now we're looking for price to continue up higher and take out. So that's DXY on the daily. 4 hour, same thing. No difference really. Same thing. We're just looking for price to do its MSS, which is right here.
Yeah,
And
should
then
go bullish.
continue going bullish. So that means EURUSD, neggy. EURUSD should be neggy. That's basically EURUSD. Now gold quickly before I soon gotta go. Go here. We're looking. See, this is kind of iffy. I would like to say we're gonna continue going downwards, but it's very possible we can also go upwards.
No, I'm taking upwards because of that fair value gap it just tapped into.
Yeah.
I reckon it'll close bearish for the day and then candle open probably start going up bullish. Have we cracked all time high? No, we're nowhere near all time high to be honest.
I understand what you mean, but I also have to take in consideration that DXY should be on a bullish trend. So I would rather predict sells, at least sells,
Really?
at least sells up to this point right here. personally, but I could be wrong. He sells up to that. So I would
Well,
like
would
to
it not
see.
be right? Oh no, obviously not.
I
No,
would
I was
like to
gonna
see
say
like
MSS.
this.
No, I did MSS. Yeah.
Yeah, I did MSS, but I'd like to see some like candle go up here, and then we flip, and then stay like this. That's what I'd like to see.
Yeah.
So I told you about all the MSSs here. Right? There's one here. There's one here.
Right,
GJ.
boys.
Guys, see ya. Just go to pound euro. Guys, see ya, bro.
What's that range just tapping into there for you?
What?
What's that range it just tapped into?
No, dude, this shit just glitched.
Oh, okay. Oh, glitched fucking Asia Sutra.
No. Need to start reversing now, though. I'm not too sure about this, so if I'm not too sure, I'm just gonna use.
That's GE. Well, GE actually.
G. So I'm just gonna use SMT on small time frame to determine this one. It's not
You
clear
looking for
to me.
trade?
Huh?
You trading this week?
Most likely, yeah. I'll probably try and put your bread in tomorrow, so
Good guy. Finally.
I'll try. I'm working though.
Hey. You where? Are you staying in that place?
After I might just stay until I pay off the rest of my school fees because I don't wanna. I have like
How much?
2K left, and that's what
Oh,
like.
right, work.
I just don't
What's
like.
it per month? 3 to
Huh?
4 bag, isn't it? How much you
Nah.
getting per month? Like 3 to 4
So
bag.
it depends on the shift. For the shift I'm meant to be getting, I should be making what 2.5, maybe 3. If I get the
That's
bonus,
nice.
if I get bonuses, then yeah, we're talking 3. Like you get 175 bonus if you hit all the max bonus per week. And then the thing that's good about this is that if I'm also gonna stay, but when I do stay and then I leave, I still get my holiday days. And then your holiday days, if you average bonus, like so let's say your average bonus is always the 175 euro, they're just gonna give you plus 175 on your holidays as well.
Well, that's good.
Yeah. And it's the canteen is like fucking half price, like fucking bro. I got a whole Irish breakfast for like €3, bro.
That's pretty good. Can't lie.
So the canteen is huge. Like I'm
What?
just
Can
there
you
pasta
get that position
sometimes.
long term?
Bro, it's available, bro. It's
Yeah. Why
available
don't you?
here, Ballymun, Finglas. It's Musgrave, like it's just a
Oh,
warehouse.
what? Oh, Musgraves. What's the work?
It's picking, bro.
Is it
Warehouse.
warehouse?
Yeah, warehouse picking, bro.
Oh,
Same
I
shit.
won't lie. I thought you were doing some logistics shit in the background.
No.
I didn't know you were doing picking.
Nah, the reason why I like picking because they can fuck off. Like I can do what the fuck I want. Like
Isn't it? Yeah, it's pretty. It's pretty. I did picking up in Tesco.
it's annoying after a while, but it's like I
It's
could
just
just.
repetitive.
It's just repetitive, but like I don't need to
Yeah.
answer to anybody. I don't need to talk to anybody. I don't need to
Yeah.
like I do my own thing and I clock out, I clock in, I get my picker, I get my
Lollop. You have
lollop.
a lollop?
Yeah, I get
Yeah.
my lollop and I go about my day.
We had some guy that worked with us in Tesco,
Hmm?
and he was good lollop driver, yeah, and he came and bought an Audi A4 off my dad.
Yeah.
And he gets in the car, bro, and he goes to turn the corner and he turns it like a lollop, thinking it was gonna turn in front of the car.
That's
Bro, he went
good.
straight into a tree, man. What a fucking donut.
That's good. That's actually
Bro, and he
funny.
goes, I thought these drove just like lollips. I was like,